Here's a CapCut secret most people don't know. You can actually add effects per layer. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and add the videos you want to edit. Once imported, layer them on the track. Add your main video first, then drag another clip above it as an overlay. Use the split tool to cut the excess part to match their duration. Select the overlay clip and go to the remove background option in the toolbar. Tap auto removal to separate your subject from the background. Once it's done, reposition your subject in the previous screen where you want it to appear. Now, here's the trick. To apply an effect to only one specific layer, go to the Effects tab, select an effect, and tap 1 to preview it. Once you've found the one that you like, drag it directly onto the layer. If you want to add a different effect to another layer, just repeat the same process. Select another effect and drag it onto the other layer. Once you're happy with your setup, preview your video to see how each layer looks individually. When everything looks perfect, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it. You've just learned the ultimate way to add effects in CapCut without affecting everything. If you want to learn more about layering videos in CapCut, check out the link at the end of the video. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!